What's going on, everybody? Austin Becker here, and in today's video I just want to go over the print on demand basics and setting up your first apparel store, and everywhere and every step you need to start your own clothing company without having inventory or anything like that. So it's a very low startup cost, where you can sell it and how to get going. So let's dive into the computer right now and I'm going to show you how. Alright everyone, as you can see, we're in the computer and we're going to get started. We're on a blank page. We're on Google. We're going to first start by what you need to do. You need to figure out your target audience. So this is up to you, like what niche are you going to go after, who are you going to sell to, and that's when you're going to base all your business around. So let's just say we're going to keep a very general store and not a branded store. And what I mean by general store, it'll be like just using slogans and stuff. So let's just dive in and I'm going to show you. Let's go to a website called Nameless, Namelix.com. This is a good place to come up with a business name. It makes it easy. As you can see, I just type stuff in. Let's just say I type in penguin, I hit generate. I like short letter brand names. We got our keyword, name style. There's different types of name styles you could use. I like misspellings. It's just something I like. It's up to you. This will help you create a brand like Cuddle. That looks pretty, I like that. Beanie, I like the way they spelled that. Peps, I personally like the names. So this just gives you a little idea, and it's kind of like a logo. So you could pick one, you could buy it off of here. You can purchase it right here. They're different like styles. So you could buy it and actually use it as a logo like that. That's pretty cool. You could use it as a logo for your brand. If you don't want to use it as your actual logo, you could go over to Fiverr.com, and in Fiverr you could search for penguin logo. I don't think I spelled that right. And then I will create a vector illustration starting at $5. You could look through here, find somebody, look at their video or their images, some previous work they have done, see who you like, and you can buy logos. You can actually just type in vector logo, and I would create vector logos for $5, $10. So it's very cheap to get a logo made. I'm not saying this is the most optimal place, but it'll definitely work. Once you get your logo made, you're going to want to go over to a website called Etsy. So when inside of Etsy, you would want to look for stuff like, kind of like this, shirts. Since we're going to do a print on demand, and essentially what print on demand means is when someone places an order, you will then have it printed by a printing company and then fulfilled, and they'll drop ship it to your customer. So it's essentially drop shipping. So you don't actually have to hold inventory. It's a good startup. Like you saw, you pay so far. All you have to do is pay for your logo or your brand name, which isn't that expensive. Let's go back real quick. Say I was click purchase on this. Basic $25. So $25. Etsy is free to list your products. You pay fees after a product sells, so be sure you're aware of the fees. They're not that much. And then you have to be aware of the cost of your product, your shirt or whatever. But you got a logo. You'll come in here. You'll create a brand. I'm logged in, but you'll create a company. You'll sign up for Etsy. You'll create a storefront, and you'll start uploading images like this. So let's just click their storefront. Now you can look at their store and just get some ideas of how to build a store. You see all their images have a same backdrop for the most part, whatever it is. They have dog mom, hoodies, dog dad. Their stuff looks like it's around dogs and animals. So all you have to do is get these designs to print, whether you create them yourself or you pay somebody. You can pay somebody on Fiverr, very cheap to get shirt designs. Go back to Fiverr, type in shirt designs. You can find people to give you shirt designs, or you can buy them off of here, whether it be words or whatever. If you want to do sayings like dog mom and stuff, that's very simple. Another thing you can do is download an app. You can't get it on your computer, but I could go to it. I don't even think that's going to be it. Yeah, that's not it, because it's not. Go to Word Swag. I'll just type that in. I think it's .co. Yeah, you have to get it on your phone. But this is so you could do text photos. So it'll automatically, you could type in words and then you could automatically put it in these different formats and stuff like that, like this one, and upload that to a shirt to design. And to get the mock-ups, so if you're on Etsy and you click somebody's product, you'll see they actually don't. They only have 2 images, very simple. But if you want to have more images, like more mock-ups and stuff, I always recommend you just go to Placeit. Placeit.net. I think it's $15 a month to use. They have all different types of things you can do here. We'll just go with t-shirts. This will also give you ideas of what you can sell. If you come in here and you look at the different things like apparel, iPhone, hoodies, tank tops, mugs, tote bags, hats, packaging, like like the small stuff that you could obviously sell. On the left hand side, you could determine if you want it, if it's women's clothes or whatever, and it's going to populate the mock-ups for females. And then you have all these different mock-ups. And then if you want like stuff for like Christmas, so every season you can just click the Christmas tab. They have Christmas images, and you just upload your image to these shirts, and you take these images and you upload them to your Etsy store. Remember, you did not buy inventory yet. So you got designs, you got your brand name, you came up with some designs, you took these designs and you've placed them on shirts, whether it be in Placeit or another mock-up generator. This is just the one I use because it has a lot of variances for you to use. You'll put your products onto your own Etsy store, and once you start getting sales, like, because Etsy already has traffic, you don't really have to run ads. You can run ads within Etsy, but you don't have to. You can run ads based off of keywords. So whenever somebody clicks it, it's a pay per click. When someone clicks your sponsored ad, you will then pay a percentage or a couple pennies. You can set your budget as low as $5 a day, upwards. I think the max you can start at is like 10 or 15 a day, and then eventually you could get upwards of hundreds and thousands of dollars, but you don't want to do that if you don't have to. Once someone comes through here, they say, I want your shirt, they buy a shirt, and they check out, you will then need to fulfill that order. And to fulfill that order, we recommend Printify. Create and sell custom products so you can start selling. And then once you get inside of Printify, this is where you'll actually upload your designs to the shirts that you want. Well, it's not letting me in. Well, no, I don't want all that to pop up. Well, it's not letting me in, but either way, you'll go into Printify, you'll create, just click catalog. You go find the type of apparel you want, what kind of shirts you want to use, whether it be 100% cotton, 60%, 60-40, the blend, if you're doing bags, whatever. So let's just say you just want this shirt right here. You'll come in here, you'll hit start designing. These are the different colors it comes in, heather gray base, whatever. Price $14.12, shipping $30.50, different sizes, 100% organic ring spun. So you come in here, upload your designs, and you will have them fulfill your orders. Printify will then, you upload the customer's shipping address, and the Printify will ship the product directly to your customer. So it's a very hands-off approach, just like drop shipping. And then eventually, once you want to get to scale, and you do this at first to test what products are going to actually sell. Like, okay, so maybe, because you see it's kind of pricey. You see what shirts are selling and where you think you got the best traction. And once you get that data, well, now you know where you need to double down and buy inventory and like start to mass produce and hold inventory at your house. Say like this shirt, for example. Say you know you're selling 5 of these a day or even 5 a week. It doesn't matter. Once you realize they're starting to sell and it's consistent, you need to start carrying inventory at your location, whether it be an office, house, wherever it may be. start ordering bulk inventory, whether it be 10, 15, or 20, enough to get you through a couple weeks. So whenever somebody does order a product, you could ship it within a day or two and they get it. You could also provide custom packaging and stuff like that, better customer service experience. But the good thing is you can start with little to no money, doing it the initial way we showed you. Customers already expect delays because of the fact that Etsy is a custom personalized service to where like they believe every time they order a shirt, they're expecting you to print it, which you are, but you're having a third party print it. So I hope that helps. And another thing I want to show you is we do have this print on demand blueprint right here. Yeah, it goes over everything we just talked about a little bit with all the links. I'm gonna put this in the description above, and you could download it if you want to use it. Then it'll be free for you to download. Just go to the link in the description, throw out your email, it'll be emailed right to you, and you can get started with this. Hope you like this. If you need anything, leave a comment below and we'll get to you.